Hello everyone, welcome to numerical series of utilization. And today our numerical problem is an electric train has quadrilateral speed time curve as follow. And first condition is uniform acceleration from rest at 2 km per hour per second for 30 seconds. And second one is costing for 50 seconds. And third one is uniform braking to rest from 20 seconds if the train is moving a uniform up gradient of 10 upon 1000. Train resistance is 40 tons newtons per tons. Rotational inertia effect 10% of dead weight and duration of a stop 30 seconds. Find the schedule time. And the given data is time of escalation t1 30 second, t2 50 second, and t3 20 second acceleration 2 km per hour, and so v1 equal to alpha into t1. So 2 into 30 is equal to 60 km per hour, and gradient equal to, this is given 10 upon 1000, so 10 upon 1000 into 100, that is 1%. And let the costing retardation be beta c, so ft equal to 2.778 we minus beta c plus 98.1 wg plus wi. So put all this value and solve this equation. We can get beta is equal to 0.452 km per hour per second. So b2 equal to b1 minus beta c t2, that is 60 minus 0.452 into 50, that is 37.4 km per hour. And braking retardation beta equal to b2 upon t b2 upon t3, so 37.4 upon 20, then we can get 1.87. And distance travel, this is the equation of total distance. Then put all the value from the above, and we can get total distance equal to 1.03 kilometer. And schedule time ts equal to t1 t2 t3 plus duration of a stop. So we have t1 30, t2 50, and t3 20, plus duration of stop is also 30, so 130 seconds. And schedule speed bs equal to 3600 years upon ts, so 3600 years into 1.03 upon 130, that is 28.52 kilometer